Hey there, YouTubers. This is Andy with RC Journeys. This is part 3, part 4. Anyway, using the Scratch Wizard paint from my Mazda rx8. Guess it didn't turn out too bad. I mean, I got some imperfections here, mistakes that won't happen again. But it's not too bad. I mean, considering the color matches. I'm gonna have to wet sand it because it's really glossy, but you know, usually have to wet sand it, and then I'll have to buff it out and see what happens. Hopefully it'll look like that when I get done. But overall, I mean, I can't complain for do-it-yourself at home, right? I mean, it's better than what that looks like. I mean, honestly, that's how my trunk looked before I got it done. So, and that's the top. The rest of my car is okay. It's just the top and the trunk was fading really bad. But we'll try and take care of it. My hood's good. Bumpers are peeling a little bit. I'll have to take care of that, but you know, overall she's not too bad. But anyway, well, I'll give you guys an update. I'm gonna let it cure. Really, it says 24 hours, but I'm gonna wait a little longer than that, make sure it's really dry, and then I'll try to wet sand it and buff it out and see what happens. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. This is Andy from RC Journeys, and we'll see you next time.